Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to view WhatsApp status without knowing them. So guys, if you're using iPhone or Android device and try to see WhatsApp status and without seeing, I will help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, and guys, now you need to open your app store, and from here you need to search WhatsApp. After opening it, you need to open your WhatsApp messenger and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app first, and after doing update, simply you need to go back and open your WhatsApp here. So guys, after this you need to open your settings, and here is the option of privacy. Click on it and you will see the option of status. And guys, now you can select only share with. You have to select any friend that you want to see your WhatsApp status. And guys, after this you can't you will be able to see status without knowing them. And guys, if this method is not working for you, then you need to download any mode file of WhatsApp. If you're using Android device, then you need to download GB WhatsApp, and if you're using an iPhone, then you need to download any mode IPA file. But guys, these are the illegal apps. The only way to do this, you need to download illegal apps to do this method. So guys, these are the only ways. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.